What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today I've got some awesome content going on. It's kind of cold here in Western North Carolina. It is Columbus Day, so happy Columbus Day. But I've got James, Greg, and Jay coming up to ride the Parkway with me. So you might know James. He's on YouTube as What's Your Forte. He's a lot more successful at YouTube than I am, so you've probably seen his videos, but he has an M5 competition. And then we got Greg, you've seen him in my videos. He has the M8 competition, and then we have Jay. He has the white F80 lowered on black TEs. Insanely clean car, but you've seen him in some of my vlogs. So today we are going up the mountain. We are doing some mountain driving. I'm gonna get some GoPro footage, some drone footage. You guys are gonna love it, so stay tuned. Let's get right into it.
What's up, what's up?
It's gonna be fun. Man, I love this color. He switched them? These are sick though, oh my God. I like the Vossens. Wait, hold on. The Vossens are the new ones. These are the old ones, right? Damn. Yeah, those Vossens are sick. I was hoping to see those, but he had to put them.
I just, it was a loaner pair.
Yeah.
And they was like, hey, it's gonna be X amount of dollars. I was like, I'd rather put that money in somewhere else.
Yeah, I don't
already had wheels.
Yeah. Nah, these look sick. I thought these were the new ones for a second, but then I remembered they were Vossens.
New Vossens were a lot brighter.
Yeah.
These were gloss gray, the Vossens were gloss clear.
Yeah. sounds good.
Yeah, should leave it up.
Our engines run hot, so I just let it. It's fine.
I had like some
We got extremely lucky that those campers turned off. They were about to ruin our day. And that lady. I was gonna pass her either way. Yeah, these bigger cars, what? I don't know him. BMW love, man. People up here, they love BMWs. And Mercedes and Audis. This thing sounds fucking mean, dude.
Well, check out the license plate.
Yeah, there you go. It sounds like the license plate
It's a
says.
single mid pipe. It helps a lot.
That's what I'm gonna get. But you don't have downpipes yet?
I got catless.
Okay, I was about to say, I can. It sounds good. That's exactly what I need. Alright guys, so we hit our first stop and we are about to go really see the hills like I show you guys in all my videos. Starting to get a little bit chilly willy on us. Let's let James get up here. That big green Hulk he's got. What we live for up here is this kind of weather. I was telling him, I said that you don't usually get this spot open. Like, it's usually people here.
Yeah, I've been to like Asheville, but as far as like doing these roads and
Yeah.
stuff, my first time.
What about you, James?
Hey, it's my first time up here.
Awesome.
This is definitely a must do. I think it's one of the
This right here has to be one of the sickest M5s out right now. Like the color with the yellow DRLs, the wheels,
the
like
entire build, the CCDs.
all that, man. Like, yeah, it's got the carbon ceramics. Like, it's insane. Which, honestly, if anyone's watching my YouTube, they probably know who James is. They probably already know. This man's a YouTuber, big time.
I'm just an average guy, man.
Take a picture, the cloud in the back.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
How it makes it look.
Yeah. So we made it to the tallest point on the whole East Coast, everybody. We're standing at the highest point on the whole East Coast. We could go up the hill there and actually touch the highest, but I don't think my man in his shorts, I don't think he's got that 500-yard walk in it.
Definitely ain't built for that.
45 degrees. We want to say thanks, Trevor, for bringing us this way. This is JJ.
All right, let's go home.
All right, so you guys, we'll go ahead and leave. I didn't know if you wanted a snack or anything.
I'm good.
We'll go eat some lunch. What do you guys think about it? It's pretty cool up here though, right?
Yeah, pretty awesome.
Should have came with the sun.
Yeah.
I like this one.
I actually like it cool.
Yeah.
I'm a big guy, I sweat, so cool. I'm all right. I can live with it.
I tried to get you guys to come up here all summer.
Now
I
we
ain't know
know.
nothing about it.
Now
I
we
ain't
know.
heard that.
Car, let's go, baby.
Get in there and turn the heat,
was
turn the
fun.
heat and the seat warmers on. That is gorgeous right there. Gorgeous. Hopefully he's coming. But we finally made it up.
You good, Greg?
Nah, you got it. Yeah. It kind of just goes from lighter to brighter now. It's like,
Yeah, it was so crazy. It was from 40 to 65.
I know, it's so temperamental. All right, everyone, so we did make it to downtown Asheville, and we got shit. And we got pictures, videos going on. James is doing some of his stuff. He's a wizard with it, so we'll see the finished product, but I think we're gonna get off here and go eat some food.
Lens. He said he got the big boy lens out of it.
He does have the big boy lens. He's got the nice shit, man. Yeah. I can't wait to see the pictures, but anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video here and we're gonna go get something to eat. We're fucking hungry. All right, guys, peace.